This right here is the Amaran Ace 25C, one of the brightest pocket-sized RGB lights you can get right now. But is it worth buying? Let's find out. Let's see what we get inside the box. As of the recording of this video, you can get this light for $99 in Amazon. So what exactly do we get for $100? Well, you get a couple of Amaran stickers and a manual, the light, and the diffuser, which is made out of plastic with 4 magnets that you use to attach it to the front of the light. Inside you also find a USB-C to USB-C cable that you can use to charge this light, and a random Allen key. Digging even deeper inside the box, we get this quick release mount that you can use to either mount it onto a cold shoe or directly into a light stand. And this quick release is magnetic as well, but it also latches mechanically, and to release it you have to press this blue button. This light is very small. It's 3 inches by 4.5 inches long, and it only weighs 357 grams with the diffuser attached. The body of the light is completely made out of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It has a 1/4 adapter at the bottom. The light has this little tiny LCD screen, a fan that helps to cool the light, and inside here is where you have the integrated batteries. But not only that, this rubber area here is magnetic, so you can attach this light straight up to any metal surfaces. One thing that impresses me about this light right off the bat, that you can navigate all of the menus using the LCD screen and this wheel right here, which means that you can control this light completely without having to use an app. Don't get me wrong, to get the most out of this light, I highly suggest using the app. I'm using the Cirrus Link app here, and I can control multiple lights, and I can have presets for my different scenes. It just makes life a lot easier. Now that random Allen key that I said that comes in the box, well, it is for you to adjust the mount. You need this Allen key to either loosen or tighten this mount so that you can control the tilt. So to answer the question that we started this video with, is this light worth buying? Absolutely. I don't think you can get a brighter, more affordable, more versatile light than this one. It comes with all the necessary accessories right off the bat, so you don't need anything else for this light to work. So all you need to do is charge this light and you are ready to go. Well, there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.